Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Looking at XLK, Apple, and Facebook on the daily, weekly time frame, so a gap up to higher highs or a higher open to higher highs before the bears took over, and we filled the gap to the downside at 60.76. So we are now looking at momentum favoring the bears in the short term with the close down near the low of the day. And it all is going to depend on the low of Thursday. If we break that low of 60.29, we'll be looking at the higher low pattern breaking and no longer favoring those bulls. And if we see the bulls maintaining that level, it will just be another higher low of consolidation, keeping the bulls in full control. The weekly time frame, after a month of straight upside, closing at the highs of the weeks, if we have this bearish reversal candlestick, which is so far shaping up with 4 trading days left to go, if it does form a bearish reversal candlestick, we will be looking for some healthy pullback, as we often don't see too many significant more weeks in terms of the length of bull moves that we've seen in the past. We had a really big one right after the election, but other than that, we have a move that is in line with the amount of strength that we've been seeing in an extremely strong year. But we're due for consolidation, and it would be normal and healthy. So it's all about the low of Thursday and whether that level breaks or not. Apple is seeing further weakness, and we are looking at the lows of 155.50 and 155.02. If we break those levels and lose this daily middle Bollinger Band, we're looking down at the 100-day moving average, which held 4 back tests before the bulls showed up more significantly. The weekly time frame, have to be watching out for a potential bearish reversal head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. If we break this neckline of 149.16, that would be a clear bear break and a reversal in the trend, going from higher lows and higher highs to a lower high and a lower low if that neckline were to break. Facebook on the daily time frame, huge dump today, big bearish candlestick. We have seen recovery from candlestick like this in the past, but we closed at the low of the day. I'm looking down at 170.80 as support, and then the 50-day moving average is going to be right there as well, and then 170 psychological. And we have oversold hourly conditions to be keeping an eye on. And if we do see a further dump to start tomorrow morning, then we will be in oversold conditions very quickly, and it will give us a bounce opportunity. Weekly time frame, bearish reversal spinning top last week after 4 weeks in a row of green. So pulling back from that candlestick, the middle Bollinger Band support continuing to catch up, and no red flags overall. It would be a red flag, in my opinion, if we lose 168.29, this low down here. But very significant pullback, where one day of pullback gave back about 5 days of upside when we were seeing that slow and steady continuation. So the entire tech sector is seeing a lot of downside in the short term the past 2 days, and we're watching to see if that's going to continue into tomorrow or if the hourly oversold bounces get going. We'll check back in tomorrow. See you then.